Hello, Namaste and welcome back to another episode of First Smart where we show you how to have that perfect kitchen. And we all know, one of the most tedious things to do in a kitchen is to chop. तो आज हम लेकर आए हैं our editor's pick on the top non-electrical chopper in the market today. The Peigeon new handy chopper. देखने में ये बहुत स्टाइलिश लगता है to make for a great addition to your kitchen. इसका कलर भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा कूल है. तो आइए देखते हैं इसमें क्या स्पेशल है. तो गाइस ये देखिए, ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा ड्यूरेबल लग रहा है. It's made of unbreakable plastic. It comes with 3 stainless steel blades जो काफी sturdy है. अब देखते हैं इसका परफॉर्मेंस. Since ये fruits और vegetables दोनों को ही chop कर सकता है, let's try both. Let me show you how to use this chopper. So let's start with vegetables first. And आज मैंने choose किया है potatoes. And now I will be using this chopper to finely chop them. And that's it. As you can see, I have finely chopped potatoes in just a few seconds. And now, let's try a fruit. So let's try my favorite apples. And now our chopped apples are also ready. So guys, all in all, super performance, quick to use, no spillage and a non-electrical chopper at a great price. This one is definitely a must-have in your kitchen for all your salads, fruits and sabzis. So what are you waiting for? That's it from us guys. We hope this will save you time and effort and bring you happier days. We hope you enjoyed this video and we will be back for more. So take care guys, stay healthy, stay happy and don't spend too much time on endless chopping with that board.